All right, guys, so pretty much I had a little mishap with my vehicle. I was driving on the bags, a little too low, I guess. Hit a pothole, my diff caught the bottom of the pothole, and it pretty much broke a piece off my diff. I leaked out all my fluid. Long story short, we got a new piece. It's an upgraded piece. I'm gonna put the link down below so you guys can order if you guys need it. And we're gonna do DIY how to install it. Let's go. All right, so this is the damage. Hold on. There we go. As you guys see, pretty much it hit the bottom and ripped everything apart. So now we're gonna start off by lowering the exhaust a bit. We're gonna lower the diff down so we can get all the bolts, and then we're gonna pop it off. So pretty much we're gonna loosen this bolt right here. Should be a 12. One on the opposite side. Should be a 12 as well. After, we're gonna come loosen this bolt right there, and the two that are holding the diff over here. This one and the one on the opposite side.
Put the light here.
All right, guys, so we're gonna take out the sensors first.
We also took out this sensor from the exhaust.
Now you have to have something to hold down the exhaust. So you're gonna go ahead and take this one right here. It's a 13. So 13, I said it was 12. I'm sorry, guys.
You already took that one out? Oh, no, he did it. It's right there. What size is it?
This is 11. All right, you guys have to have something to hold down the diff when you're bringing it down. All right, so pretty much we do gotta take the exhaust down. We're not gonna have enough space. Talk to my buddy, says it's easier to just do it with the exhaust off. So we're gonna remove the exhaust. Shouldn't be that hard. So we're gonna take it off from here. It's a 13. Hold it. No, you're good. Go. This is a 10.
Big as exhaust. Oh, that's good seeing, bro. Okay, there you go.
Playing?
Yeah, I'm feeling it right now.
All right, we're gonna take off the bolt up here. It's a 21.
The big one, big.
Wait, let me tension it. There. It has tension. Go. You going? Go. Go.
Probably have to lower it.
Lower. Go. But I think probably doesn't have battery. Oh, that's cool.
Oh, so you know why it might not come off?
The tension.
Let me see something real quick. It has a bolt in the back, I'll swear.
Does it?
Oh my god, bro.
I don't know, I didn't see. No. 21. So we'll get the big 21 and we have.
So now we're taking out the bushings.
Why is that coming down? Yo, did you fart?
No.
He's farting and filming, bro.
No, I haven't farted. I was so sweat.
No nose. What the fuck? That's it?
That should be good, yeah.
Bring it up a little bit.
So
Right there.
what do you have to take out
All right,
now?
guys, so we're gonna
1,
take,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 21, 45 bolts.
it's 8 bolts.
Wow, what am I?
All right, guys, so we're gonna remove the bolts now.
So what do you have going on right now?
So we're removing the little motor that goes on the diff cover. There's T40s. I had to use pretty much one of these, an extension with a bit of a T40, just to reach one of the holes, which goes right here. Like on a little reach. And then we do it with the rest of these.
Be careful when pulling it out. Okay, so now we have to remove this one.
It's coming out though.
No?
Oh wait.
It's out.
Oh shit. My fellow members, we did it. Like, yeah.
Oh, I got approved for the tuner code.
For real? Alright, that's it. Next thing we breaking, I'm gonna cry.
For another 2 weeks without your car.
Alright,
Okay, it's
fellow gang members, here we go. Which way did this go?
where's the bracket?
That goes in first.
Yeah, but which way? Like this or like this?
No.
Go watch a video, bro.
Pause real quick.
All right, guys, make sure that you guys clean it completely. All right, guys, make sure you guys hit every spot. So make sure you make sure you have these because you have these. So make sure when you're ready to load,
Perfect. Oh my god.
Watch the boats that fucking line up.
about 90 minutes or 2 hours, just to make sure it's dry real good, and we'll come back.
All right.
Okay, so pretty much we already have the breather hose through here. I lined it up over here on this side.
So where are you routing this to?
What I'm gonna wait till I pretty much put the whole diff back up and everything. Then I'm gonna cut this cable with the holes. I'm gonna cut it shorter, and then I'm gonna pretty much put it into the breather line.
All right.
And then, you know, so it's time to start putting everything back.
Oh yeah.
That should be good.
Size 14. So we'll remove this.
God damn, man.
Installing the breather holes. So the filter's right here. So we go up, right there, perfect. Now I'm gonna cut this to where I want it. Say right here.
It's kind of hard to see.
Yeah, it's
Let me
kinda hard.
see if I could get a perfect view right here. Or here. Let me see. Yeah, it's pretty hard to see, man.
Yeah, you're gonna have to just do it.
After, I'll see if I can show it.
Whoa. I think we should have done this with the diff lower.
Yeah, pretty. Dude.
Josue, lower the diff.
Lower the diff, man. Well, guys, make sure you put this before you lift up the diff, because now you're gonna struggle. Let's see if you can see a perfect view. Well, there you go, guys. This is where the breather goes. Alright, also a grippy hand.
Chill. I did not cause you pain. I did not cause you pain. Chill. Josue, you do that shit, I swear to God, nigga, I'm gonna buy a fucking air
Oh God.
Yeah, it's dripping.
So it's dripping right now, so that's pretty much, you can tell how it's full.
that's it.
Cause it's dripping. It's buying ass.
Give me the gun.
It didn't really need that much more.
And that's pretty much it, right?
Yep.
I recommend changing these out if you're gonna lower your car or you're gonna go on bags. If yours is like this, so as you see, this one has pretty much the wings that go down. As you see, it comes more down. What happens with mine is when I bottomed out, it hit this. You see all of this hit. It's pretty much like this. And it just cracked it off. Boom. I don't know how this part, it just literally the pressure cracked it over here.
Pretty much that's it, guys.